Okay chefs, so now we're going to create a real indulgent chocolate dessert to really enhance your festive menu and give your guests a real wow factor. It's going to be chocolate chestnut torte with a Stollen ice cream and bring all those Christmas flavours together. For the chocolate torte base, blitz 200 grams of malted biscuits to a fine sand-like texture. Then add 100 grams of roasted chestnuts and then blitz them down to a more chunkier texture. Leave aside 75 grams for garnishing later. Melt 150 grams of unsalted butter, then mix together into the crumb base. Once the butter is incorporated into the mix, add to the bottom of the tart mould and press into the base firmly. Pop into the fridge and chill for 30 minutes. To start the chocolate torte, melt 300 grams of 70% dark chocolate over a bain-marie, put 525 ml of double cream into a mixer and form to soft peak. In a bowl, add 8 whole eggs, 190 grams of Castor Sugar, the zest of half an orange, finely grate half a nutmeg, add 6 grams of vegetarian gelatin, then over a bain-marie, whisk constantly for about 5 minutes to aerate the egg mixture and activate the gelatin. Add the melted chocolate and whipped cream into the thickened egg mix and whisk until fully combined. Pour mixture into the torte mould and place back into the refrigerator to chill for 2 to 3 hours. For the ice cream mix, add 300 ml of milk, 300 ml of cream, 100 grams of sugar, half a vanilla pod or vanilla extract, and then slowly bring to the boil. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks and then add the cream slowly, whisking continuously. Put back onto the stove on a low heat and stir for about 3 minutes until it coats the back of a spoon. Take off the heat, then add 100 grams of broken Stollen into the pan and then place into the ice cream churner for 45 minutes and allow to set fully in the freezer. Now let's bring all of the components together. Take the set torte out of the refrigerator and slice into portions with a clean hot knife. Add the biscuit garnish that we set aside from earlier and then take a scoop of the Stollen ice cream and serve immediately. And there you have it, a beautiful festive chocolate and chestnut torte with Stollen ice cream.